Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, October the 18th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to our free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern. I go up to 3 o'clock Fridays, which is today, and up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays. Now, in the email you're getting, you will see a link for the download for the latest beta. Excuse me. And the latest beta has the ability to do paper trading, live paper trading. Okay, and all you need is a standard subscription, and it's part of the standard subscription your ability to do paper trading live. Just 1 second here. Okay, excuse me. Now, I haven't done very many trades, but this is the one that has attracted, well, for me anyway, all the attention. BNGO. Now, why this attracted the most attention for me is that the other high flyers, the BIMI, see how this popped up here and pulled right back? The SES, and when I say the high flyers, these are the ones that were the big plays, the big low float plays. This is the one that kicked it off last Friday, pulled right back. There was another one, I believe, that I can't remember. But anyway, why I was interested in BNGO is that look what it did, or look what it didn't do. It didn't have the severe pullback, okay? So I thought, okay, the market's been, a little bit choppy, say the least. There was the pre-market. It was up. Market opens, moves down. It popped up, moved down, pop up. This is very choppy. So unless you're in something, that is an alpha stock, and this is what I consider an alpha stock. Just look at its trading compared to the SPY. It doesn't care what the SPY is doing, okay? So that is really why I wanted to focus on this one for the day, because too many of the other stocks, for me anyway, were just tracking the market too closely. So I did take a couple other little trades, but basically inconsequential. So this one though, I did get finally into it right here at, no, not here, it was right here. It spent forever. It actually was at 233, but that's okay. You see how it was chopping around forever and even popped up here? Well, actually, no, that's when I got in. Got in on that candle. And it popped right up to 270. I took some off right up here. And now it did go down to 219, but it moved almost immediately back up to 230. So that kept me in the trade because I almost got out here. I almost got out everything here. Kept in the trade. Took some more out at 266. And now... Guys, I might have to, I'm looking at this one, IPWR. What's happening with it? And I'm just waiting to see if it can take out 3 because, 2 days ago it got as high as 469. Now, this is interesting. The IPWR is popping here. Okay, this is another one of those low floaters. It didn't really move. I've been waiting for a break off this area right there. Taking out that right there. So when I get back into the room, I'll have to really pay attention to that one. Now, let me just get back to the BNGO. Now, somebody asked me, where is the resistance for this? Well, had this not happened the other day, you would have to look at the weekly chart. And you would start saying, well, right here. Right here has to be the resistance, except 2 days ago, this area right there proved to be no resistance whatsoever. Now, interestingly, you notice where it got to right there. I think that's a 281. And on this day, on that week, I should say, it got to 460. I'm sorry, that it got up to 470 and got to 468 right here. So almost the same level. Now, I'd be stunned if today, it got up into this area, but it might. It just might. If it can take out 3, because yes, in theory, this should be a resistance area. But again, look what happened 2 days ago. It just blew right through that. So anyway, that's been the exciting trade for me today. I stuck with it, and, it's really, in fact, there, it just took out another high. I'm just going to, what I'm doing is I kind of have a little fun with this, with my price alerts. You know, if I'm in something, and that's how a lot of times people will know I'm in something, even though I haven't actually announced it. I announce it that I'm looking at it, and you know, that's something else I should say. You know, this is not a room where I'm going to tell you what to buy and sell. Now, most of the time, if I'm in something, I'm going to say, yes, I'm in it right now, and here's the price I want. But this one went very, very quickly when I got in. I actually had an anticipatory order at 233, but I kept talking about it. I kept saying, you know, I like it because it hasn't pulled back, and I like to see it break 230. You have to do what you're going to do. I mean, I'm not going to say, okay, guys, you should buy this right now because I've bought it. Number one, I can't do that. I'm not an investment advisor, not allowed to do that. So just so you know. But so I'm talking about stocks all day long, and I'm talking about different levels. It's up to you, you know, if it hits the level that I've been talking about, to say, yeah, I see what he's looking at. Sure, I can take that trade, or don't take the trade. But you're not going to hear me say, take this trade now. Anyway, guys, this is getting pretty exciting now. Let me put another price alert right there. Okay. So anyway, that's it. I want to get back into the room and check out that other one, see if that other one is going to start to move also. Just give me a second here. No, I can't even remember the name of it. Oh yeah, IPWR. Okay, so there's the IPWR. So this is why I had the alert set right there. You can see on that week, so 2 weeks ago, well, it'll be 3 weeks ago, I guess now, including this week, there was the high. It did get all the way up to 554. Did it get up that much this week? Oh, I'm amazed. So now it's above that level here. So this has to be watched. Another super low floater, 1.5 million in the float. So I want to get back into the room. So I'm going to close this down, bring back my capture program. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. This is a link for our free room. And again, in the email you're getting, don't forget to download the latest beta, because you'll have access to finally, the real-time demo module, which is Brokerage Plus. Just quickly to show you, you just go to New, Brokerage Plus, and then the Brokerage Plus window will open up, and then you can paper trade. And it's got nothing to do with what broker you've got. You know, it's just using our real-time alerts. Okay? All right. See, Bingo's making another new high. Okay. So that is it. Sorry, but it's a wonderful distraction to have. Stock you're in making new highs, especially, something cheap, so you got a tremendous percentage move. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend. We'll see you in the trading room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Bye-bye.